Creative ways to approach email marketing. Do you include graphics or only send text? What sort of layout is most effective? How the heck do I build an opt-in list? There are so many items to consider when you create an email marketing campaign that it can be hard to know where to start. Use the tips in this video and you'll be up and running in no time. Before using email marketing, create a test email and send it to a friend or family member. Your loved one can see how the email looks and give you feedback. This way, if any changes need to be made, you can do it before sending the emails out to customers. Always get permission before adding someone to your email list. If not, you will be looking at many spam complaints and loss of customers. Don't send out emails without getting the permission of the person you're sending it to. Businesses that are taken seriously do not send out mass mailings via email. In some cases, potential customers become disinterested and choose not to work with your company. Use your email marketing to get your customers more involved with other promotion portals. For example, always give readers several ways to learn more about what every email is discussing. End every email with your contact information and web address. Encourage them to share special promotions through Facebook like buttons or direct them to a video that shows them how best to use a new product. You will have found the answer to many of your questions here, so take what you've learned and implement it into a successful email marketing campaign. If you have further questions, you can continue learning by watching videos, blogs and forums. Never stop searching out knowledge. Your rewards will be worth it in the end. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.